Hello, Memorial Park. We are so grateful and thankful for you guys and willingness to sponsor our cabin. These are our cabins that were built in 1994, 95, and 96. And we love our cabins. So do critters. And they're also not as easy to keep clean as they once were. And so we're moving on, and we're going to keep these footprints. We're going to keep the same beautiful siding, but we're going to do some really neat stuff where we get to critter-proof them and put down some nice flooring and throw some ceiling fans in. We're really excited what it's going to look like. So your team is going to come out, do some demo. We'll rip off the siding. We'll put up some OSB. We're going to insulate some walls. We're going to put some hardwood ceilings in. We're going to mount some fans, put some windows in, and create a pretty fun space. As you know, the cabins are that space where devotions happen, where community is built, where funny stories are told as kids fall asleep, and where our counselors get an opportunity to share their testimonies of what God has done. And we're just so grateful that you're going to bring a team out here and help us get started on these cabins. We're going to try to get 2 done by March, and then 2 more done by the summer. So if we can get 4 done and you guys help us get yours done, that would be great. So thank you, and praise the Lord, and keep praying with us that these cabins are transformational experiences for kids as they come up in the summer.